Hello students, we will start the numerical one on divergence. Now question is calculate divergence of the vector A vector is equal to xx plus yy plus zz. Then it is the Cartesian coordinate system. The vector is given in Cartesian coordinate system. So the formula of divergence in Cartesian coordinate system is del dot A, it is equal to del dot A, it is equal to del X over del X plus del AY over del Y plus del AZ over del Z. Now the value of AX is X. So the answer is 1 plus 1 plus 1. So we have written here del over del X X because AX is X here. Del over del Y of Y because ay is y here, del over del z of z, and x differentiation with respect to x is 1, y differentiation with respect to y is 1, and z differentiation with respect to z is 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, then answer is 3. Thank you, students.